Welcome to StockPioneer, a modern inventory management solution built for retailers, offices, and organizations of all sizes. Whether you are a store owner managing your own stock across multiple branches or an office administrator tracking fixed assets, StockPioneer helps you stay on top of your inventory with clarity and control. Now, let me just showcase this app to you. First off, whenever you are going to land on this URL, you are going to be shown up with a sign in page, and I have demo credentials right here displayed so you can use it later to test it yourself. If I just type in the wrong password, it's gonna give me an error. Now let's type the correct password and sign in. Okay, so this is the first page that you are gonna land on whenever you are gonna sign in, and this is called the dashboard. First off, I'm gonna show you, like, these are all the categories on the left pane, different sections that we have that this app supports. First off, let me just mention this once again. This is a complete cloud-based solution. Whenever you do, whatever you do, whenever you add an item, you take an action, everything gets stored directly into the cloud database. Abruptly. Okay, let's go to the location section first. Here you can add and manage all different places where your inventory is stored, such as offices, shops, warehouses, or physical locations your business operates in. Each item can be linked to a location so you always know what's available and where. Next up, suppliers. This allows you to record and manage all the suppliers you source your items from. Later, when you are adding an item to the inventory, you can easily select the supplier that provided it, keeping your supply chain organized and transparent. Just for example, I have added these 5 suppliers, and I can even show you how to add a supplier. Let's say we add Apple Inc. Contact number, just give it a junk number, a junk email, and a junk address. And that's how it is. A new supplier got added right here. And you can also delete suppliers from here. Just with one tap, the supplier got deleted. You can even edit a supplier, whether you want to change its address or email or whatever. Okay, next up we have categories. You can group items under categories such as electronics, furniture, office supplies, or any custom classification that suits your needs. This helps in structuring your inventory and making searching and filtering more intuitive. Similarly, you can add category by clicking on this button. I have added some demo data here so in future if you want to test this app for yourself, the data is all here. Now let's take a look at the dashboard. Here you will see a quick overview of your inventory health. Notifications like low stock alerts show right up here under this bell icon. We have 2 notifications which says these 2 items are on low stock. We need to restock them ASAP. This KPI shows the total value of assets that you currently have in your stock. This shows total items. This shows which items needs attention, which are on low stock, and these are the recent actions that were taken. I'll show you that later. Now let's move on to the inventory section, the main section of this application. It displays a list of all items currently being tracked along with their available quantities and linked locations. The loading was a bit slower because I have added plenty of inventory items right here. As you can see, there are more than 100 or 200 items right here. Each record shows you the label of the item, the description, the category under which it falls in, the quantity, status, location. Here we have filters. If you wanna only see the items under a particular category, you can just use this category filter. and only those items will be shown on the list. Let me just change it to electronics. Similarly, we have location filter. Let's add this main warehouse location filter, and we will only see the items that are stored in the main warehouse location. Alright, now let me just remove all the filters, and let's move on to the inventory section. Inventory actions. I'm gonna take this inventory and I'm gonna take an action on it. Oh, first off, I just totally forgot, you can also see the details right here, and here we have recent actions related to this inventory and all the information right here. Now let's take some actions on it. Currently we have 12 items in stock for this iPad Pro 12.9-inch. Let's say we're gonna check out 2 items, and I'm gonna just add a mock description here: checking out to a user, confirm checkout, and you can see right here that an action log will be added. First off, the quantity got updated. Before, initially it was 12 and now it is 10. Min 8 means this is the low stock threshold. If the quantity falls below 8, it's gonna give you a low stock notification. Now let's go to the action log. As you can see right here, the recent action that we took, it got added right here. 2 quantity got checked out of this item. Similarly, we have a couple of more actions. I have taken some actions right here. You can see damaged action, restock, checkout, sale. Okay, so now that I have covered the action log section 2, now let's move on to the main action, that is add item. How are you gonna add an item? Just by clicking on that add item button on the top right of the screen, this pop-up will be shown. Let's add iPhone 15 Pro. Category, just mention the category right here. Description, initial quantity, let's set it to 5. Min quantity will be set to 2, so that whenever the quantity reaches below 2, we're gonna get a notification. I'm gonna set the price to $800. Setting location to retail, sure. Okay, main warehouse. Supplier is gonna be, I'm just gonna select this one and add item. And as you can see, the iPhone will come up just right here. Let me just search it here. This is the iPhone that we just added, the description, the quantity. Okay, so wrapping up, that's StockPioneer, a clean, responsive, and fully cloud-based inventory management tool designed to simplify stock tracking, improve transparency, and help you make better business decisions. Thank you for watching. Forgot to mention to showcase the mobile responsiveness. Here I have opened my iPhone, and I'm gonna show you how it looks on the phone. Let me just paste in the link, and this is how it's gonna look on the mobile phone. The UI is responsive, as you can see. Let me just log in and show you the mobile UI. Here it is. On the mobile phone, the dashboard is gonna look like this. Alright, you can add item from here too, from the dashboard. And if you want to go to the inventory listing, just click on this button, it shows you a side pane. From here you can access all the listings. Here it comes.